Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sort of export an assembly, which might have multiple different parts in it, in order to sort of share it. So there's a tool called Pack and Go. So this is on Solidworks 2019, by the way. So if I go File and Pack and Go, this will actually, what it will do is it'll group all my files up that are in this assembly and put them in the one spot. So if I go Browse, where do I want to save it? Desktop or something? Desktop, select folder. And now when I save that, it's putting all the files I have for this assembly in the one spot. So now if I want to send this to someone, I think it was called Yeah or something like that. All the parts, oh, they've all just been sort of dumped in the one spot, unfortunately. So one of these is going to be the, if I open this as the desktop, so one of these is the assembly and the parts that go with it. So this part, this mirrored yeah thing, so they've just dumped it all in the same folder because I haven't created a folder. I've just selected the desktop as its folder. It's just spat it all out there. And this way, instead of going, oh, have I added all these parts, or you want to share an assembly and you just send, half the parts to someone, they don't have a bunch of errors. So this is a really nice way to export and send things to people. But that is all for this tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.